Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and welcome to the 18th video in our 21 video series titled Steal This Look, where we show you how to heat print the hottest trends that are out there in decorated apparel, and also give you downloadable assets that you can market these looks in your business to your client base. Sell to your existing customers, grow new customers, we don't care, just capitalize on these free resources for growing sales in your business. Now, the market that we're in right now is corporate gifting. We've already completed 2 looks in our 2 prior videos for this market. In case you didn't get a chance to catch those, it was a high-end embroidered patch onto this vest, and then a genuine leather patch onto this snapback trucker cap. Now, these are both dimensional logos that can be completed on our Hotronix 360 IQ hat heat press. As we explained in the prior videos, you can also outfit your standard Hotronix press with a power platen that heats from underneath to reach the melting point of the adhesive of these dimensional logos. Now today, we're going deeper on the dimension. We're going to a product that I love. It's called FlexStyle. FlexStyle comes in a variety of finishes, but what they all have in common is that they're dimensional and they look almost like liquid embroidery, is how some customers are marketing them. We're going to be applying FlexStyle to a really tough to do fabric. That's polyester performance wear on this long sleeve polo from Sportech. We're going to use the right tool for the job, and that's the Hotronix 360 IQ. Why don't you come in close and take a look at this logo and how we complete the application. Okay, I've laid my garment flat on the table. One of the first things I like to do before taking it over to the hat press is position it into place. Now, normally you wouldn't be able to do this because you'd have to preheat your garment. But because the hat press heats from underneath, there's no preheating required. I'm just going to position my logo. It does have a little bit of a tack to it, but I like to use thermal tape to just ensure it stays in place as I'm maneuvering it. This is our FlexStyle dimensional logo, and it's in the flat style, which gives you the best representation of a logo if you're doing corporate gear, which you'll be doing a lot for corporate gifting. It maintains the integrity of the design. Now that it's taped in place, let's take a look over at the hat press where I'm heating up to the appropriate temperature. I have the top heat set on 280 degrees, and this heated lower dual silicone base is heating up to 320 degrees. Now, this application takes 30 seconds, so I've already programmed all of my settings on the touchscreen control, and I'm ready to load my item onto the press. Now, to load the item, it can get a little bit tricky. I want to get down to one single layer of fabric if I can. So let's go ahead and unbutton this. And with it fully unbuttoned, I have a little bit more room to maneuver. I'm just going to try to slide it through here is the best way. See why I need the thermal tape to hold it into place? It's wanting to shift on me. And then make sure I have good contact. And so I'm just going to hold it down, make sure there's no wrinkles underneath my logo. And I like to hold the logo in place just for a few seconds. And that will get it to hold temporarily to the shirt. Now, there is a special cover pad that will be required for this application. It's an 1/8 inch thick, and we recommend using it for FlexStyle. I'll position this pad into place. As you can see, I've been pressing some leather patches with it. So I'm making sure that dark color doesn't go against my white shirt. So you want to have some extra pads, but I'll position that in place, and then I'm going to lock the heat press down for that 30-second application time. As the press approaches down to 0, it'll automatically open. And I'm going to try to get this item from the press as quickly as possible and get it flat again while it's still warm. Right? So one reason I like to do that is this FlexStyle, if the adhesive's warm, it'll kind of want to conform to that curved surface because I'm using the hat press. So I'm just going to get it flat while the adhesive is still warm. You could easily lay a book or some weight on top of it, and that's into place. Also, with it flat, I can grab the corner and I can remove my cover sheet and my thermal tape from the design, and we'll button this back up and show you a nice view of the completed look. And we're up close here so you can see all of the ridges and the dimension into this completed design. It really feels great on the garment, and when somebody receives this as a gift, it's something they're going to wear and something they're going to remember. So again, with a heat press, these things are easy to execute. It's just knowing the right settings and the right tools to use for the job. It's so simple. One additional tip that I'd like to give you as you look to enter into some of these dimensional products is really think about your logo size. Ultimately, you have about a 2.5 inch pressing area as far as a height on this cap press, so I recommend your logo size be 2 1/4 or smaller. By doing small left chest logos like this, you can typically save money by ordering quantity of the logos and using this same logo across categories like we've done here, onto a polo, the same logo onto a hat, onto a vest, and create a whole set that can be boxed and kitted together and used as a gift. Use your creativity when you're approaching the market of corporate gifting, and make sure you venture into some of these dimensional products to present a higher perceived value, because ultimately we want that gift to be special and something that's remembered, and that's how you generate repeat sales as well. Thanks for watching.